Hi guys, in this video we are going to see Python modules. So what is a module? It's just simply a library. So just consider it as a library. It's a file containing a set of functions that you want to include in your application. So how you can create a module in your app or project? Just type there a new file and here just name your module. I am going to name it as module dot, and after that dot you will have to type the extension for Python py and just enter, and that will going to be a new Python file, and just create a function there, and I am going to create a function there, that greeting, that will just print my name when it will called. So now we have created a function in our module.py, and now if we want to use that function in another app or project, just we simply need is we want to import our module, and after that what we will say, that module dot greeting, and in that greeting we just calling that function greeting in our module.py, and just pass the name John and save it, and if we just run that, it will going to print hello John. So we are importing that module from their module.py, and we are using the method that we declared in our module greeting, and we are passing that argument name in that, and that will going to call that function from module.py. So you can also access variables if you have variables in your module. Like if I have a dictionary in my module, just create that dictionary here, person one, which is, and then again the key values, name John, age 36, and country Norway, and just save that. And now if you want to use that variable and want to access the keys, you can also do that. So in my demo.py, I have imported that module, and now if I want to use the person1 variable, I just assign it to another variable and say module dot person1, and in rectangular brackets I can access the key, which is age here, and if I now print that a, it will going to print me the age. So here you will see 36, and we have 36 there. So that's how you can use variables of your modules. So naming your module is very important. You just have to be sure that you named your module after .py. So now if you want to rename your module, you can also do that and use the keyword as and type whatever you want in short form like MD, and now use that in place of that module MD, and now the MD has taken place of module. So this is your on described keyword to use that module in short form. So if we save that and print that, it will going to print that age. So Python have also some built-in modules. Like if we want to use some built-in modules like platform, So this module can be used to just print the current platform that you are using. So we will say platform.system, and if I print that and save it and print that, it will going to show me Windows. So you can also use a dir function. So it will list all the defined names belonging to the platform module. Like if you want to use that dir function, just simply say dir, and in that just pass that module. If you want to see all the function names or variable names present in a module, you can use that dir function. So saved it, and now it will going to list all the variables and all the info that we are getting is from our platform module. So now want to if we go back to our previous example, like in module, we have a function there, greeting, and a variable with a dictionary. And now if we want to just simply import that person one rather than the whole module, so just you can also do that. So we will say that import, rather than that import, we will say from module import the person one only. So if we want to use that only the person one, we can also do that by just with that syntax from module, just import us that person one. So if we can use that, like print person one, and we want to print the age. So remember, we have age in a string, we have to use it in single or double quotes. So just save it and run it. We're going to print us. So you can also use only the specific method or a specific class or a variable from your module. So that's it guys for this video.